In here, this is where all the detection happens. This little frog-shaped guy right in there. And you'll notice that he has two googly eyes pointing off in slightly different directions. That's deliberate. That's to make sure that it has a 180-degree view.
Froggy's googly eyes are actually our passive infrared sensors, or PIR. The hotter something is, the more infrared radiation is emitted, which I'm able to demonstrate with this handy infrared camera.
You can see I'm very hot and sweaty in this Californian garage with no aircon. Now, this is essentially just a fancy version of what's going in here.
But what is it that's allowing the googly eyes to detect heat?
It's this very special substance called PZT, or lead zirconate titanate.
Tiny pieces of PZT are hidden inside these motion detectors.
It's just a little bit of it just there, that little band of it.
When PZT absorbs the infrared radiation from a warm object, like a person, this material changes temperature, creating tiny atomic movements within it, enough to generate a small electrical voltage.
Got a battery, just to add some juice to the system, and then this little disc of PZT over here, which should detect a temperature change. So if I pop this little... The heat from the flame is changing the temperature of this substance, which in turn causes just this slight little change to the electrical current, just enough that it can be detected by this circuit to turn that little light on. You can see it with the lighter. That is quite satisfying, isn't it? This thing is so sensitive that it can detect a temperature change as small as 1/1,000,000th of a degree. Oh, I can do it with my finger as well, look at that.
These tiny pieces of PZT in my doorbell's motion sensors pick up the teeny changes in temperature from up to 9 meters away and alerts my doorbell.
Oh, I think I might have melted everything.
Which is why I was only allowed inside the garage and not in the house.